Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix when keeps restarting on Infinix Smart 20. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this icon. Again tap on this icon, you will see a phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, the last solution is factory reset. Click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on factory reset. Erase all data, enter phone pin and click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix when keeps restarting on Infinix Smart 20. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.